Hey guys, so just touching base on some very basic troubleshooting amplify problems. So some people, when you log in, your page looks like this. Very easy. It looks just like Miss Jackson's. Sometimes it's how you log in now that's weird. You're just gonna hit the button science. And when you hit that science button, it's gonna load. And then boom, and you're right where you need to be, just like always. So right now, this person's account, who I'm on right now, they're in weather patterns, so they're a little bit behind. So to get out of weather patterns, to go to the next unit, you're just gonna hit that home button where it said amplify that I just clicked. You're gonna hit oceans, atmospheres, and climates, chapter 1. We are doing today lesson 1.2. And then boom, you're all good to go. You can do your warm up, you can do your sim. Remember, to do our discussion on Google Classroom. You can do your homework. Right? I just do want to touch again on the fact that you should be annotating your homework. So you should be writing notes, highlighting. You might also see this little bell over here. This little bell in the upper right hand corner shows you that Miss Jackson has given you feedback. So it shows you the grade that you received on things. So when I say later on in the week that today is a day to go back and read the feedback and fix accordingly, you should be looking at these and making sure you got the greatest grade possible. These grades will be uploaded later on in the week. I know in 601 right now, you guys should be graded all the way up to the end of last unit. 602, you should be graded up until chapter 4, and 603, you guys should be graded up until chapter 4 too. Goal is by the end of the week that everybody will be up to where we are, and you'll have feedback on where we are and moving forward. So that's just how you navigate for anybody who was struggling with these two things. All right, that being said, good luck with today's assignment. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Have a good day, guys.